To get a soundproof apartment, just a few simple tips and projects can dramatically reduce noise in your apartment and create the stress-free refuge you want to achieve. Let's look at how to soundproof your apartment with ways that range from simple room additions to small home projects. Determine your weak spots. Unwanted noise moves to the weakest points of your apartment or condo and slips into your home through holes, gaps, crevices, and cracks. The first thing you need before you start soundproofing is to locate your weak spots, whether it's your walls, doors, or windows. After you determine your spots, you can plan your soundproofing accordingly. Add bookshelves. Using heavy books on multiple bookshelves is a fairly effective way to create a sound barrier. When combined, shelves and books create a thick barrier that sound has a hard time penetrating, essentially providing a second wall to your apartment. If your sound leaks are coming from a wall shared by a neighbor, this is a great choice. Add carpet, rugs, and pads. Plush carpet, rugs, and sound dampening pads can help absorb sound, along with wall hangings, upholstered furniture, and even plants. These materials also lessen the sound of footsteps and objects dropping within the apartment, minimizing the echo and absorbing the noise. You'll not only make your space quieter, but your neighbors will thank you too. Soundproofing window inserts provide window insulation that both reduces and absorbs sound. Installing window inserts is an easy and effective way of soundproofing that won't break the bank and won't cause any damage, so you probably won't need your landlord's permission to install them. Indow acoustic-grade window inserts can reduce and cancel noise, up to 70% of outside noise when placed over single-pane windows and up to 50% of noise coming through double-pane windows. The inserts, edged with a silicone compression tube, just press into your existing window frame to form a seal with no hassle, nails, or adhesives required for mounting. They're easy to install and they not only block outside noise, but also prevent inside noise from bothering your neighbors. Check out Indow window inserts to see the possibilities or get started on a free estimate using our online price calculator.